Oh my God. Well, welcome back, guys. Look at this. Snow's melting. Starting to get a little warm out. Ready to get out and make some videos. Make some new content, you know? I'm out on the Tuono today, and God, this exhaust is so freaking loud, dude. It sounds so good. Now we're gonna be taking it a little easy because it is not the best conditions out here. The roads are still a little wet, but I've been going crazy. I haven't even been on a motorcycle for I don't know, 3 months. That's why videos haven't been coming out. But the Tuono, I really wanted to test this exhaust. It's so loud. It sounds so good. God, it sounds good. Guys, this bike sounds better than any of my other bikes, hands down. Hands down. So much gravel. Oh my God. Oh, this thing sounds freaking beastly. Oh, I've got so much good news to tell you guys about the Busa build. The H2's got a new clutch. Oh my God, it's so good. Yeah, so I am gonna make a specific video about the Busa build. It's still at Jaeger's right now. We're halfway through doing the turbo kit on it. He's working on the intercooler right now, but I've decided to send it to Boosted Cycle Performance, and he is gonna Boosted Cycle's going to do the engine build, and he's going to install the AMS, do all that other small stuff to it, and from there he's going to tune it. It's going to be getting tuned on 93, and it's going to be getting tuned on E98. He said that E98 will make more power than C16, so we're gonna go that route. I don't know what it's gonna make. I honestly think it's probably gonna be somewhere in the area of close to 600 wheel horsepower on E98. Pump gas will probably be around 400. But we're gonna go hunt some freaking UGR Lambos, guys. There's a half mile coming up in 2 months, and I'm taking the H2 to that because the Busa won't be done. And there's 2 other 300 plus horsepower H2s going to be there, and obviously a bunch of rowdy cars. So it's going to be off the hook. This exhaust is so rowdy. It's so rowdy. Like, oh my God. Definitely going to get pulled over on this bike just for exhaust. I knew it was gonna be loud, but holy crap! It's like one of those, it's loud, but it's not loud to the point to where you're like, okay, it's too loud, you know what I mean? I'm sitting here hitting the rev limiter thinking there's something wrong with the bike. Like, nope, nothing wrong with the bike. This isn't an H2, buddy. It doesn't go to 14 and a half. So I am going to get out and do some testing on the H2, and hopefully that clutch holds. If it doesn't, I mean, it's a brand new clutch, so theoretically it should, but there's two other tricks I can try. It's got Brock springs in it right now, and if that doesn't hold, I can shim the springs to get a little more pressure on the plates. And if that doesn't work, I'm going to switch from Mobile 1 to if that doesn't work, I'm going to switch from Mobile 1 to AMSOIL. What do you guys think of this exhaust? It sounds so good. It's so rowdy. I can definitely tell the bike needs remapped though. It's definitely a little bit rich down low. This road has dirt and all kinds of crap all over it. Show these Harley guys what a real bike sounds like. The Tuono is just like the perfect hoon bike. I don't know, it's a toss-up for me between the Tuono and the MT10. The MT10 is definitely more fun of a bike to wheelie, but the Tuono just has a little bit more race inspiration in it, I guess. The brakes just feel better. The MT10 does tip into corners very well, but the suspension's better on the Aprilia. So I wouldn't be mad with either of them in my garage, to be honest with you. I miss my MT10 sometimes because it's so much fun to do wheelies on that bike. The bike's such short wheelbase that it just turns in really well, and it's really easy to get up near balance point. This is my first ride in months, by the way, guys, so don't trash me because I freaking can't do wheelies right now. I hate these mirrors so much. Those downshifts just barking at you. Just barking at you. At wide open throttle, this thing just sings, man. Well, guys, I just wanted to get out and get back on a bike. I mean, it's been so freaking long since I've been on a freaking motorcycle, you know? I mean, I've been dying. Freaking mirror, man. I've been dying to get out. I really wanted to see what this Tuono sounded like with this exhaust, and it is money. But like I said, I'm going to make an update video on the Busa here soon. So as always, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.